Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that promises to make your baking and cooking experience smoother and more enjoyable. We found the Proctor Silex Easy Mix 5-speed electric hand mixer, and we've included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Proctor Silex 62512 is a compact and lightweight electric hand mixer designed to simplify your mixing tasks. Weighing in at just 1.25 pounds, this little powerhouse boasts a 215-watt peak power motor, making it not only efficient but also easy to handle. Its sleek black design adds a modern touch to your kitchen, while its practical features make it a must-have for both novice cooks and experienced bakers alike. One of the standout features of this hand mixer is its 5-speed settings. Whether you're gently folding in delicate ingredients or whipping up some fluffy cream, you can easily adjust the speed to suit your mixing needs. The versatility allows you to tackle a wide range of recipes, from cookies and cakes to savory dishes that require precise mixing. Another highlight is the included snap-on storage case. This clever design keeps the beaters organized and readily accessible, significantly reducing the chances of losing them. No more rummaging through your kitchen drawers or cabinets looking for misplaced beaters. Everything you need is in one convenient spot. The Proctor Silex hand mixer is particularly suitable for home bakers, busy parents, or anyone who enjoys cooking. If you often find yourself whipping up quick meals or desserts, this mixer can make your process more efficient and enjoyable. Its lightweight nature means you won't tire your arm out during longer mixing sessions, and its ease of use is perfect for those who may not have extensive cooking experience. Let's talk about practical use cases. If you're preparing a batch of cookie dough for a family gathering, you can mix in chocolate chips and nuts with ease, thanks to the powerful motor that handles thick mixtures without straining. Or, if you're in the mood for some homemade whipped cream, simply switch to a higher speed to achieve that airy texture in no time. The beater eject feature is also worth mentioning. After you're done mixing, you can effortlessly release the beaters by pushing down on the speed dial, keeping your hands clean and free from batter residue. In addition to its functional features, the Proctor Silex hand mixer is designed for convenience. The compact form means it won't take up much space in your kitchen, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or for those who prefer to keep their countertop clutter-free. And since it comes with a snap-on storage case, it's easy to tuck away in a cabinet when not in use. In conclusion, the Proctor Silex 62512 Easy Mix 5-speed electric hand mixer is a versatile kitchen tool that caters to a variety of mixing needs. Its combination of lightweight design, powerful motor, and organized storage makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their cooking and baking experience.